Today we will perform the operation of connecting and installing the water pump controller. First, use a 5-sided Allen wrench. Unscrew the 4 screws of the controller. Then the 3-phase input cable. Pass through the large locking nut on the left. If necessary, additional terminals can be added to the input line, which is convenient for installation. Connect the 3-phase input cable to the 2 ST ports without direction. Next, connect the output water pump cable. Pass through the large locking nut on the right. If necessary, additional terminals can be added to the input line. Connect the output cable to the UW port according to the pump's own cable line. UVW cable jacket mounting. The pump must be installed with the controller. The pump must not be used without the controller. The water pump must be connected to the controller, otherwise it will explode.